Ignore the distractors. One day, a tiger decided to go with his friend, the lion, on a hunting trip. The lion walked confidently. The tiger walked beside him, watching every move. While they were walking, the tiger noticed some hyenas following them from afar. The tiger said to the lion, "Look, the hyenas have been chasing us since the beginning. Why?" But the lion didn't answer. It was as if he didn't hear anything. They kept walking until the lion saw a prey nearby. Suddenly, the hyenas started screaming loudly and ran behind the lion. The tiger nervously asked, "Are the hyenas going to attack us?" But the lion didn't stop. He didn't even look at them. He ran toward the prey, caught it, and calmly started eating. The hyenas kept screaming around him, but they didn't come close. They only watched and made noise. When the lion finished his food, he left the place and walked away. Then the hyenas came to eat the bones and the leftovers. The tiger approached the lion and asked in surprise, "I was afraid the hyenas would attack you. Why didn't you answer them?" The lion smiled and said, "Hyenas don't attack lions. They only scream and annoy. Don't respond to those who try to distract you. They can't take anything from you unless you give it to them yourself." The lesson: in your life, don't respond to those who try to annoy or belittle you. Focus on your goal. Let them scream. You are stronger.